Hi folks, Dave Strauss here. I'm going to show you how to cook my homemade vegan sesame chicken. I've got my jasmine rice already in the rice cooker warming, and I've already got my my ingredients all chopped up here. So let me get some of this sesame oil going here in my wok, and while it's heating up, I'll run through the ingredients for you. Okay, turn this on, heat this up. Okay, alright, so I've already got my ingredients all chopped up, ready to put in the wok. So we've got Gardein vegan chicken strips. Got baked teriyaki tofu from Trader Joe's. I've got green onions, the whites chopped up. I've got some minced garlic and some minced ginger root, and some crushed red pepper. And I've also got some chopped fresh basil leaves. So as soon as this oil heats up, we'll get this going here in the wok. Okay, when this is all done, I'm going to garnish it with some toasted sesame seeds and the end parts of the green onions, and serve it over the jasmine rice. Let me just get this into the wok now. Heat down a little bit. Just mixing this up. You want to let this cook in the wok long enough to get the tofu and the vegan chicken cooked good, and get all the other ingredients cooked up so that the flavors mesh together good. Smells good. Too bad they don't have smell-o-vision on the video. And let this saute up a bit. Turn that heat up just a little bit. So once this gets cooked good, I'm going to add my sauce. I'm using a Panda Express Mandarin teriyaki sauce. My sauce of choice for stir fries. Yours comes out real good. Sizzling away here. This is a pretty simple dish to make, and always comes out really good. And I posted up a picture of the finished version last time I made this on my Instagram page. It's at Flat Cat Records. And I included the recipe in the description. And this time I thought I'd share the creation process on the video here. cooking nicely. Shouldn't be too much longer before we can add the sauce. Which is good because it's hot. It's like 100 degrees outside and it'll be 120 in this kitchen right now, so the sooner it cooks the better. And basically, your gauge on cooking on this is to cook it until the garlic gets a little toasted, a little brown, and then you're ready to add the sauce and wrap it up. So a little bit longer here. I'm cooking at a pretty high heat, so it shouldn't take too much longer. When you're adding the ingredients, this makes about 3 servings. You got, the whole package of the 2 bricks of the baked teriyaki tofu from Trader Joe's. You got a whole package of the green onions with the whites in here, and the other side chopped up for the garnish at the end. You've got a full package of that Gardein vegan chicken strips cut up into like about half inch long pieces, and one of those packages of fresh basil like you get in the spice section in the market, sliced into real thin strips, and about 4 or 5 little garlic cloves. I use a garlic press on it, and about 2 or 3 stalks of ginger peeled and planed on like a microplane, and this up a little more. And the red, crushed red pepper you add, depending on how hot you want it, how spicy you want it, you can add that to taste. Personally, I like it a little more spicy than my wife, so I kind of pick a middle ground on that. So this is tofu's getting nice and browned up now, so I think we're about ready to add the sauce here. Basically put enough of this in there to make sure everything gets covered. Stir that around, make sure everything gets coated good. Just heat it up good. That's basically it. We're ready to serve it up on some rice, and garnish it with the toasted sesame seeds and the green onions. So I'm going to cut my heat here, and that's it. Try this out, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it as much as me and my wife did.